Hi everyone, in today's video we will be rounding decimal numbers. Round up if the digit following the rounding digit is greater than or equal to 5. Round down if the digit following the rounding digit is less than 5. So let's round these numbers. Round to the underlined digit. 38.74. The rounding digit is 8, and we are rounding to the nearest whole number. We look at the number following 5 or more, so we're going to round up. So we're going to add 1, so that will becomes 39. Number 2, 118.4, and we're rounding to the nearest whole numbers or the nearest ones. The number following is less than 5, so we round down. That means we keep the rounding number. .94, we're rounding to one decimal place or to the nearest tenth. We look at the two decimal place or the nearest hundred, less than 5, so we keep the rounding number. .567 to the nearest tenth. Next number here, 6, tells us that we round up, that we're going to add 1 to the rounding number, so that is 9.6. Round 5.029 to 2 places of decimal. Look at the third place, 5 or more, so we add 1 to the rounding digit. So that gives us 5.03. 2.818 to the nearest hundredth. Look at the thousand. It's more than 5, so we're going to add 1. So that is equal to 2.82. 19.5652 to the nearest thousand or 3 places of decimal. Look at the fourth place, less than 5, so we keep the rounded number. So that gives us 19.565. And finally, 2.6845 to the nearest thousand or 4 places of decimal. So 3 places of decimal, so we're going to add 1 because we look at the fourth place and we see it's 5. So our answer here will be 2.685. There you have it. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to this video. See you in the next video, and I do hope you found this video very helpful.